we've come to the end of our van life adventure. We have new plans.
These skies have a different light, why noise that keeps me up at night, I can't help.
Hello everybody!
Hello everybody! In this video we will share with you
our thoughts about our 5-month sabbatical in Europe last summer.
So, what we always say, let's go!
I'm coming home.
Hello everybody! It's getting colder, we have to wear sweaters and the leaves are turning brown. So now it's time for us to go home.
I'm coming home. Stay up till morning and
We have 2 days ahead of us and tomorrow we'll be home.
in my head's recalling the moment that I was convinced. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring, make up for months that we've missed. 'Cause your lips are calling and my heart's recalling the way I could never resist. It's been so hard, but no, I wanted to stay, caught us off guard. Oh, there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's not holding you, but I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's not holding you, but I'm coming home to you.
We're home!
Yeah, we're home.
It's nice to be home,
Yeah,
but also...
yeah, there are 2 sides. It's nice to be home, but the other side is that our big trip is over.
yeah.
But grateful that we could do it in these strange times and that it was really cool.
Yeah. And we have new plans. So strange being home?
Yeah, very strange.
It's really strange. This is our elevator.
Yeah.
That's the other elevator.
We can go in the elevator.
We even can go inside. Super strange.
Super strange.
Number. Take a picture.
Oh.
Man.
Strange.
Do you have the key?
Yeah. Hey, hallo. Dag schatje. Hallo.
Hallo. Hallo. Hi. Ik ben het echt. Ik ben het echt.
Hey,
Ja.
Hoppie. Oh, je vindt het wel leuk.
Ja.
Hallo schat.
Oh. Zo. Oh. He's my best friend. Oh. Ja. Nou. Ja. Zo.
Hey Hoppie. Hallo Hoppie. Hallo. Oh, ik heb jou gemist. Hallo. Dag lieverd.
Ja.
Dat is toch wel. Hey. Oh, jij wil wel, hè? Kom maar, lieverd.
Nee. Hallo. Hallo.
Moepedoepie. Waar? And just like that, we take a massive leap in time.
And we've come to the end of our van life adventure.
We are selling our van to start something new.
But before we do that, we want to share our thoughts and feelings with you about our 5 months that we had on a sabbatical in our Volkswagen Tonke van.
And we promise you, the end is quite surprising. So stay tuned until the end. We have 4 main topics we would like to discuss with you. What did we think about living in our Tonke van for 5 months? What did we think of our sabbatical? What did we think of traveling in Europe? And the 4th is a surprise.
Let's start talking about living in our Tonke van for 5 months.
Well, first of all, after 5 months, we still enjoyed living on the road very much.
Yeah, because you can imagine sometimes you have you are fed up with something after you've done it for 5 months. Like some cities you can only go for 1 week and then you say, let's move on.
But after 5 months we were still like, oh wow, this is cool, oh see that, oh we want to do this forever.
So, and the next topic is?
It's a perfect flexible combination. With a fold-out kitchen, with sliding doors on both sides. It has a longer wheelbase and therefore we have much more storage than a normal one. So for us it was a perfect van.
And the third point is that we loved the Volkswagen Transporter van with its 150 horsepower and 7-speed TSG gearbox.
Yeah! The van is perfect for good weather, when the sun is shining and you can be outside a lot. But when it's raining and you have to be inside, then it was a bit too small for us.
And having the toilet solution was for us perfect, because that enabled us to stay in busy areas or urban areas.
We did not have any negative experiences. No theft, no nasty people, we did not have any emergencies. But we also stayed out of the big cities, so maybe that helped in that respect.
And then we get to the second main point, and that is what we thought about our 5 month sabbatical. And the thing is that 5 months is a perfect length. We do need to say that we did not have like a specific need, like stress, had to go on a sabbatical.
No.
But it did help us to see things more clearly, such as.
Yeah, I would really recommend everybody to do this sometime in your life. To go out of your normal life, to go out of the rat race and just be with yourself and experience what it does to you.
And we really liked being in nature and living with the sun. And so go up early and go to bed early as well.
And above all, we liked to be active in nature. To go cycling, hiking, all that kind of things. Sometimes, of course, we missed our family and friends. It was a bit hard sometimes to be that far away.
But luckily, many times, a smile was just a parcel away.
Or a phone call.
Yeah. There was some bad news at the end of our sabbatical, and that was that I got a message that there would not be a suitable job available for me at the company I worked.
Yeah.
So that was not so nice. But
that was sad, but it helped us to find a new adventure, to start a new adventure.
correct. But stay tuned for that. And what about traveling in Europe?
How did we like that? Well, in one word, it was amazing.
Traveling in Europe is just fantastic. It's such an amazing continent with such a diverse landscape and amazing people.
It is so diverse. We don't have to get far away to experience all of that. So it was great.
We have made a top 3 of van life countries that we visited just for you. And number 1 is Sweden. Sweden was amazing. It was a discovery. We did not plan going there.
No, not at all.
But it was amazing.
Sweden is made for van life. You can go, you can park your van everywhere in nature. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Number 2, and this is the country that surprised us the most,
Yeah.
and that's Slovakia. Because it's beautiful landscapes, but most of all because of the people. They are so friendly. And then number 3, that's France. France is van life heaven.
Yeah.
There's no countries that with that many facilities for van lifers as France.
And that brings us to the end of this video and to the end of this series.
Hey, stop! But wait, we will not stop. We will not stop our adventures. We will continue.
Yeah, because we love making these videos for you, and we loved having you as a guest. So
that's why we will continue and start a whole new adventure. If you're curious, then watch our next videos because we will tell you a lot more in that video.
yeah, so stay tuned and we will amaze you.
See you then!
Bye bye!
Bye bye!